Hey guys, SwiftTech here, back with another review of a mechanical keyboard by Tomoko. This particular model comes with 102 individual keys. When you first plug it in, it has a really nice LED animation. As you can obviously see, each LED matches with the key, so each key is individually lit. And it does have a nice color scheme throughout the keyboard. Now here is me typing. You can hear it pretty loud. And each key has a really nice click. You can obviously tell it's a mechanical keyboard, and each key is also individually removable. Here's the key cap, and here's the key switch. So gonna go ahead and put it back on. So thanks guys for watching. This was a quick review of the mechanical keyboard by Tomoko.